Welcome to Notre Dame Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture in the heart of Paris, France. Built between the 12th and 14th centuries, this iconic cathedral has witnessed key moments in history, including the crowning of Henry VI and Napoleon Bonaparte's coronation. Notre Dame is renowned for its magnificent facade, featuring detailed sculptures, gargoyles, and the famous rose windows. Inside, the cathedral boasts a breathtaking nave, exquisite stained glass windows, and a grand organ. The Twin Towers provide panoramic views of Paris, accessible via 387 steps. In April 2019, a fire severely damaged Notre Dame, sparking global efforts for its restoration. Despite the damage, the cathedral remains a symbol of resilience and faith, drawing millions of visitors annually. Explore the rich history of Notre Dame, including its role in Victor Hugo's famous novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, which helped to restore interest in the cathedral and Gothic architecture in the 19th century. The cathedral's bells, including the largest, Emmanuel, have rung out for significant events in French history.